Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Monday, January the 27th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. A link for our free room. It is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. The room is open between 9 and 3 Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see the test drive link. The test drive starts February the 3rd, that's next Monday, and it runs to February 14th. That is 10 trading days. So you can have up to those 10 trading days as long as you can start the test drive on the 3rd and run to the 14th. It'll cost you $8.99. You, of course, if you can't start on the Monday and you can start on the Tuesday, that's fine. You only get 9 days. But at any rate, $8.99. You'll have our full premium service for those 10 trading days. Also, if you want to upgrade your subscription, if you have a standard subscription right now and you want to upgrade for those 10 days, you can do so. And, it costs you the $8.99. Once the test drive is over, it's over. We don't put you into a subscription. There's nothing for you to do. You don't have to unsubscribe. We, of course, will have a pretty nice promo code for you if you do want to subscribe. Well, what a day. In fact, I'm just noticing now, in my watch list, this is the only thing that is triggered, and that just happened, just at 1:13. This is Eastern Time, just literally about 30 seconds before I started the video, and it's been quite a day. I mean, obviously, we were looking at all the news coming out of China with the coronavirus, and that has really set the stock market back today anyway. And we'll just have to see how under control they can get this infectious disease. So, but you can see, I'm just going to show you a couple of things, NNVC as an example. And this is why you cannot walk away from these. Sure, this is a play on the coronavirus. It's been in play for several days now. If you take a look at the daily chart, you can see there's the day that I guess the coronavirus headlines started hitting the news. And so this was in play, and look where it got to. However, and this is why you cannot walk away. All of a sudden there came out news from just a second. Is this going to, just a second. I just want to get this on mute. Sorry about that. My notifications, there we go. So all of a sudden news out of China suggested that there was some kind of a nasal spray or a spray that could maybe counteract the virus. And so that's what happened. You can see right there a lot of Lake, I think, is another one that was moving up. Look what that happened. Yeah, that happened on that candle right there. Now, some of them are recovering, but you just have to be very aware of these low float, very news-driven type stocks. And anything can come out of, in North America, we're not having that many cases, new cases, or we're having a flood of cases, which of course can start a panic out of China. You just have to be so aware, okay? The only thing I traded today so far is this Goss. And I mean, it's messy. It's not a great looking chart to look at, but this came from the AI 1350. I don't believe it has anything to do. I mean, it's pharmaceutical preparation. I don't know if it has anything to do. I don't think it does. But a lot of the farmers are just popping today because of what's going on. And so I was able to take this trade right about there, right around 1360. And as it was struggling to get through 14, I traded out. So that's it. I mean, there's another one that I almost took, but I missed it. I know what I was doing. It was around 10:30, and I was talking about, the program itself, as I do in the room, sort of talking about links and things like that. And this really, look at this, 1821 got all the way up to 924. So that's almost $1 pop. The only problem with this one, when we're looking at it, is that the spread for an $8 stock at times was about 20 cents. So pretty tough to commit. But this is one, if you look at it, from a weekly chart, look at what could happen. So I'm going to be, I've got an alert set right there, price alert. If it can take this out right there, look left. I mean, it has a lot of room. And I don't know, again, I don't think it has anything to do with the virus, but it may just be because it's in that bio biosector, so it doesn't really matter anymore. If you say bio is in your name, let me just see. Yeah, I mean it doesn't seem like it should have anything to do, but sometimes there's no reason for a rationale for some of these things moving, and it could just be one of those things that people see it moving and they think, oh, it must be something to do with the virus. But anyway, there was another one too. I think was CNSL, which has nothing to do. This is a communication stock. Same kind of look though. Can you not see? Same kind of look. That if it can take this area out here, look left and look at the void. I mean, we're talking up to $12. I mean, it's had a rough several months, all the way down. I have to go back in the archives to check why this was happening. And it looked like it had a little recovery. No. Maybe stabilization, another drop. Seems like it wants to start coming back. But why I wouldn't hop on this right now is because who knows? You might get up to here, block again, and start to move down. So that's why I always like to wait to see if things really clear a bunch of congestion. So anyway, want to get back into the room. Again, a very interesting day. We'll have to see what happens tomorrow, see if nerves calm down somewhat about this virus. But you never know. I mean, overnight we could have a whole bunch of more people being unfortunately sickened, and we'll just have to wait and see. So I want to bring back the capture program. So if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. This is the link for our free room. And again, I'll open, and don't forget, there's the test drive link is right here. It'll start a week today, February the 3rd to the February 14th. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.